Your past does not define you. How you face it does. And when someone tries to hurt you by bringing up old mistakes or painful memories, the Stoic way is to stay calm and never give them control over your emotions. Instead of getting angry or defensive, you can simply say, yes, that happened. Because accepting the past without shame removes its power and shows you're not afraid of who you once were. Then you can say, I've learned from it, which turns your past into proof of growth and wisdom and shows that mistakes were lessons, not chains. And if they keep pushing you, calmly ask, why are you bringing this up now? Because it shifts the focus from you to their intention and exposes whether they want understanding or just control. And when you respond with honesty, learning, and calm curiosity, you protect your dignity, reclaim your story, and prove that no one can use your past against you unless you allow them to. Epictetus taught that people who try to hurt others are already in pain themselves. And when someone brings up your past, it is often because they cannot face their own present. So when you calmly ask, why are you bringing this up now, you take back control without anger, and the power shifts in your favor. The Stoic knows that silence and self-control are not weakness, but strength, because every emotional reaction you give only feeds the other person, while calm silence protects your peace. As Seneca said, the one who angers you controls you. So staying calm means staying free. And in a noisy world, the person who does not argue, explain, or react is the one with real authority. You do not need approval because you already know who you are. Just as Epictetus said, if someone calls you a donkey, you do not check a mirror. You already know the truth. So when people bring up your mistakes, you can smile, stay quiet, and let your actions speak. Because you owe no explanation for a past you have already healed from. And as Marcus Aurelius taught, wrong actions come from ignorance, and the best lesson is shown through behavior, not words. Every past failure helps shape your strength, wisdom, and character. And the Stoic does not erase the past, but transforms it. In the end, people may try to pull you down with your past, not because you're weak, but because your growth reminds them of what they did not become. So remember the simple truth. Acknowledge your past without shame. Learn from every mistake. And choose calm questions over emotional reactions. This is how a Stoic wins with dignity, not noise. And when someone brings up your past again, you will smile in peace. Know you are not what happened to you, but how you rose from it. Because your story has moved forward, and that is true freedom.